You all could call me a bad mother today, you know. But you see, when my sister came and asked me to take my children overnight, here I was overjoyed. She took them for 2 days, and for those 2 days, the pots in this house were turned down. Because after 7 years of having those children by my side all the time, you all know what 2 days was like? Was like good, good goal. But when they came back today, mommy had to get back to cooking, and you know, I'm going to do it. So I decided to make them, they wanted some burgers. So I took out both some beef and some chicken and placed it to defrost. And as they defrost, they kept saying they were hungry. So I took from both of them and I made a mixture. I placed some carrot in there, some eggs, a blend of seasoning, some cornstarch, and I mixed it up into this nice piece. I like to take a little piece when I'm done and put it on the platen first to test it and taste it to make sure it's good. Well, I needed to put some more salt, and then I realized I didn't put any pepper, so I placed in some pepper. Now I'm placing a little butter on the tower just to prevent our patties from sticking. So once I had the patties on the tower, was time for me to make a little homemade mayo because the boys wanted the mayo sauce. And this is why I tell you all mayo is a death sentence. Let me show you all why. Into this container, I'm placing some egg white. I'm also going to put in some salt, some lime juice, and the rest is oil. Yes, you heard me well. So mayo is really made from oil. So you all see when I blend my cashew and I make a nice cashew paste and I make my vegan mayo. Why I doing it? Because I want to extend my life. So anyway, I made the mayo, and you all will see how thick and nice it is. Well, yes, mayo is proper mayo. So I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to make a nice little sauce with some soy sauce, some ketchup. I think I added some barbecue sauce to that. Add a little bit of honey remaining. I placed in some honey there because you want some balance of sweetness in there. I also put some cayenne pepper. You only remember the cayenne good for the heart. A little bit of lime. And let me stop right here and give some credit where credit is due. This sauce I'm making is something that I saw my husband made before. And when I tasted it, I was like, oh my God, what is this? I had to replicate this sauce. It's that good. And I thought he was randomly just throwing ingredients in there. But anyhow, it's time to assemble the burger. The children are literally standing right at the side of me, doing like if they're going to die. But y'all, it was later. It was really late. This was about after 4 in the afternoon. So I gave them the veggies. You know I love to give them veggies. And they loved it even more. And by the time it dawned on me to tape them eating the burger, this is what I was greeted to. They had literally finished eating. But you all already know that brings me my joy. I was on a little mini vacation, but now it's over. It's back to being mommy, back to preparing lunch, back to doing the thing I love the most, to see about my family. So I hope you enjoyed my video. God bless you. I love you. Bye.